Okay, 5 years ago, we're going back to the future, we're going back to the past. So we say we have here, which is today, and then they say 5 years ago, we are going backwards. We are going to tell them n is going to be equal to what? 5. Yeah? Yes. And then they say which a certain amount, which they don't tell us, it's a certain amount. It's invested. Now, what is going to be that amount? The present value, I'm going to put it here. We don't know. The value of the investment is currently today, which is what we started. The amount now is 200,000. Calculate the original amount, which is P. We don't know what is this P. And then if the interest is 5% per annum compound interest, so it could be simple, it can be also compound. So in this case, they're saying it's compound interest. Meaning we're going to tell them which our I is going to be equal to 5 divided by 100, which is going to give us 0.05. The one isn't changed. Now, which formula are we going to use in this case? We're going to use A. P open bracket 1 plus I to the power of n. To the power of n. Yes. What are we looking for, Tim? P. We're looking for P. Yes. So we're going to tell them, we know what you see, the challenge is going to be for us to understand what is the accumulated amount, because they're saying currently is today, but this currently today, if we go 5 years ago, it becomes what we have in the future. That is why I'm saying if you're going to draw a timeline, just remember you can either go forward or you can go backwards. So if you are going backwards, then it means what you have here is going to be what you mean, it's going to be your future. If you are going forward, then it means what you are going to have it as a what, as a present. So we have 200,000, which is going to be equal to P. 1 plus I is 0.05 to the power of 5. Now we want to get P here. How are you going to get P? You're going to divide exactly by this bracket. Exactly the way it is. So you're going to tell them which you have 1 plus 0.05 to the power of 1 of 5. Even this side. We have 1 plus 0.05 to the power of 1 of 5. And then how does this look like? You put fraction again. You say you have 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. Check. All over. 1 plus 0.05 to the power of 5. And then you say equals to, it gives you 156,000. Yes. Okay, give me that value. It says our P is going to be equal to 156, yeah? 710? 705. 0.5. Cover. This is mine. It should be rounded off to the nearest cent. Yes. They don't have to tell you this is mine. Whenever you're dealing with mine, you are going to round it off to 2 decimal places. Okay, let's look at the following then. Yes. Is it possible for each to be months? Yes, we can take the months and convert it into years. And then you'll see that one more visible when you start to do a high purchase. No? With high purchase is more common than here. So if they give it to us in months, now we're going to take it and convert it into years. For example, if I tell you how much is going to be there after 24 months, it means which it's after 2 years. Yeah.